Family Leonardo, me Nasila on multimedia, the CEO Voice of Salon. Today I come for talk to now, my family, make una continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to our friends them. As we always try to bring for the latest news what they happen around salon, whether it be politics or any other news them, what they happen or gossip, what they bring out to them live and direct. So please, my family, don't forget to subscribe and share to our friends them. You wanna touch the bell icon so that we don't miss any video we will try for bring out to them. So that's also we want make una don't forget also for subscribe to we TikTok channel on TikTok and also on Facebook or Facebook page or the Voice of Salon or also the on Instagram Voice of Salon. Please family, and don't forget to share. Okay, thank you now. Tata.
Second audio for today, the fourth, maybe people in a salon. The first one just got for some reasons, I don't know. So as I say, this bastard picking the talk say, he said the APC executive, then they do a good job. The APC executive, when look the victory of the people of Salon, then give way and to Marabiu. Na dem adebayo de kantide o pentika timoka yako antium pantmifino. O kale pentika teleka aneskoroma yako. Oh yeah, aneskoroma na the best one. We don't do everything in that country there. Today we all don't see. He even mention say parentarily don't come, he don't explain how they get the parliament. Everybody know how the SLPP get the parliament. Na Cherry Coco na inden give money. Cherry Coco in been just then at that parliament for receive envelope, for receive brown envelopes. Everybody knows say Cherry Coco na for be the speaker in parliament. He can be selling speakership to Abbas Bundo. Cherry Coco in Abdul Kagbo, they all be stick them mama then to turn at that parliament day for receive brown envelope. They receive money, so say when them pass that cyber law, we lost one bele woman at Ferry Junction. Who say policeman then go shut the woman in phone, and the phone be then at the woman in bag. And the woman be get 1 million day. The woman be no say, if them police and they see that money, they the OSD them, now operation pay yourself now in the happen at salon. He no say, he no go get back in 1 million. The woman resist the police. He said they no go shut him back. They end up for rasulu the belle woman. Let you see how people are stupid. People are ignorant. People are useless. They go rasulu you as a healthy man. They go rasulu to belle woman. That woman, they take he suffer so he die. Cherry Coco na under my mind conk na they be pass the Lord and day. Na under Cherry Coco in my mind toto na they pass the Lord and day. Where this bastard picky they open my mind conk today, my mind toto today, they talk say all the bad politicians them, all this one them, na Samura Kamara, na this every Sierra Leonean no see. The Hanover gives Samura Kamara, the Hanover Samura Kamara, the APC party. They hand over the APC party to Samura. The people are sorry. The APC party, they hand over to Samura 4 months to election. 4 months to election. Cherry Coco na been in a parliament since 2018, 2019, 2000. Say that they didn't pass all the laws them. Even today, if Mohamed Kone they tell we say no law not there for let publish the results them. Now because now under Cherry Coco in my mind toto. And Eskoroma na ina be the director where they direct them. How an Eskoroma be the directing mama for go fuck na streets. He they no born it be the directing mama for let mama go bamboo. Make them fuck bonam. Now that the Baru life where an Eskoroma depa. Now so he box up that country they so te na him be the direct Cherry Coco. All which happen at that parliament. And Eskoroma na under mama in conk, na under mama in toto, under mama in pima, under mama in telebokne. Na him be they give directive to the executive. We don't talk these people and don't understand then Yeriam until even when an Eskoroma make that 50-minute audio. We all na the 10 and they una we been doubt, una come and confirm say waiting then guy also be the talk for say unless na the chemical weapon of Salon na that thing una believe that one day. Cherry Coco sell everything. Cherry Coco sell everything we sellable. Even when they undermine Samura Kamara as them boss, even when they undermine them. Right? Even when they be undermine Samura, he still go. He win election for them. Everybody knows say a political party, a flag bearer of any political party, in obligation now for win election. Once the flag bearer don't win the election, the political party itself then get right for form government and come to power for rule the people. But them Samura Kamara bring victory for them. He bring victory for the party. They say Samura Kamara in victory, they don't want him. They say the vote of the people of Salone. Then come and tell we say, they no say they then win election. But then say white man, they no get money for a rerun. Let you see how people them block stupidity to the core. You talk of winning an election and you talk of no rerun. How you go get a winner in an election? Do you go talk about rerun? Rerun they only happen when they make an election and there is no winner. Now they rerun they take place. But now Salone will see Mohamed Pop Kamara they penchi mama in penchi bombo they tell we say they no say they win the election really. But the white man they say they don't get money for rerun. See there Tuniska open mama in your box they tell we say all man know thing they inside your box. They get granadi, they get abazi, they get sugar, they get this. All thing they chili at Tunisi mama in bombo that's what they. All thing they inside it. Now make a call on your box. They tell we say this election is done and dusted because this na and eskroma indoctrinate na the aid. Now this he fix na the aid. Now this he tell them for say make them move on. We show na videos and audios when they travel go to Nigeria go meet them grandpa when they obey then they sujud to. And eskroma is the problem of Sierra Leone. And eskroma bad pass Madabio. Madabio na the photocopy of an eskoroma. All man will say photocopy they come from original. So the original bad person a Salone na an eskoroma. Madabio na falamakata de falamakata. And always Madabio do na an eskoroma na imbi the director. Na an eskoroma tell him for go kill Makeni. Na an eskoroma tell him for go any say an eskoroma na imbi the instruct Madabio say any say he just go drop 2-3 people them. Una erisi so this bastard picking left power talk. He no ever talk until that 50-minute audio. Where he be say, in the bastard Pikian is Adebayo come, he talk, people are not listening to them. The executive then come, then talk, people are not they bite to the idea. Now make now then go tell an eskoroma say, like, he can talk the last bullet. Then come back, then waste the last bullet. We begin to go back an eskoroma, mama. We begin to sensitize the people of Salone. By the way, if tomorrow I get chance for make an audio, until this bastard Pikin say Samura Kamara, now then sell the Salone oil refinery. Tomorrow, by God in power, if I get chance for make audio, yeah, if I finish my shift tomorrow early, I gonna host, I go play a video. We said there be the interview, Kande Jumkela about the oil refinery. We said Kande Jumkela explain everything. We don't tell what they tell una say. Now Kande Jumkela na sell the Salone oil refinery. From A to Z, from 1 to 100, from the beginning to the ending of that video. If anybody here is Samura Kamara name, they not ever believe what in patriotic they tell you. Not ever believe. I go, if tomorrow God make I finish quick, I go na me host, I get me other phone, I go play that video while I they do me recording. Let una know say this guy na Congosa guy, na guy where they set fire, na guy where not truthful, na guy where dangerous, na guy where not good for any country. Some cities in a country, they not deserve for live. And eskoroma and the likes of Adebayo and the executive paya Sanede, Minkailu Mansare inge for die. Right now inside Salone, 2 celebrations they wait for. The one now when Minkailu get for die, and the second celebration when they get for hand over the power to Samura Kamara by God in your power. Now then 2 celebrations there, now then they pending. Now they will wait for can celebrate, but very, very soon. This bastard picking the country, they tell we say, pa yansane de pandu good thing. Hey, look like I tell you one thing at the bio. Anything where the executive do, where they out of standing for the election, where Samura win for them, to win the people of Salone are 0. The only good thing where person go do today na Salone, where they say they can do good thing, now who that stand for the election where they chief from Salone people a hand? Who's good thing where they can do a part of that? Who's good thing? Because as far as we concerned, Mayor Sawyerr, himself na 2028. He say in a mayor of Freetown, right? Bome. Na in one road don't close so. Don't you don't come on a Bome so they don't can invade one lane. Now one lane the people that they use mayor of Freetown. Even for keep Salone clean. Sawyerr no able do am. People are where this bastard picking they give kudos. Now people are where stand for destroy democracy. People are where this dog they call kudos to. Where they give kudos to. Now people are where stand for take happiness from the people of Salone. Now people that we don't tell them or just say Salone not for go before. Then the bad one they no more for exist in Salone politics. They don't want the good one they make them exist. Now then the bad one they for exist. Let me call an eskoroma. We no go ever stop for Sonketa and eskoroma in my mind. Gunk. and eskurumai mama in chocho, and eskurumai mama in telebokne, and eskurumai mama in watapiango, and eskurumai mama in konkbombo. We not go stop for course and eskurumai mama in chocho because na in left give this executive. Na in left give madabio. Yesterday this bastard picking and yesterday bastard picking audio because I for don't play because me I want where I they play le una listening voice, but I've been get several calls from people all over the world. See now when you make audio, you make this guy in audio play. Now make now that time they know say pull audio. No go they play in audio, just go they talk no more. No they because we know they know say don't pull audio. This bastard picking the open my mind conk they talk say payansane they do good thing. Payansane will look the vote of Salon people then give them. Yes. Aki Sawyerr will look the people of Salon people and vote. Then say Lemada be move on. Now they talk about how Parliamentary one go stand for Secretary General, but enough for do this, enough for be Secretary General, and he get position at Parliament. That's not get for happen. Then thing anyway to make some time we not can bring themselves now because they're not important to we. If Paran wants like go be Secretary General for him party, if you want he be clerk na Parliament. Waiting me know, waiting me sabi, waiting me know and believe anything where this SLPP party want go pass na Parliament, then they pass them. Anything where SLPP want do, then they do them. Because why? APC and SLPP, this APC we call themselves opposition, then they see yai to yai with the SLPP political party. We all don't see, now then they tell we say, make them move on. They don't kill people in Amakeni. APC party no attack Marabiu. Then kill people in Atumbu. Una sabi all the killing the way don't happen. Who say SLPP talk? APC talk. Then chief election, then say no, let Marabio carry on. Let rule then say 2028 according to them. Then say they no one power. Now ordinary census where Marabio postpone. You know council amo, he postpone. He say money no day. Now then they say they call people them. Then kill Evangelist Samson. APC no call protest. Then kill people in Apademba Road. APC no call for protest. Then kill cities in them. Na Makeni. Then kill Natombo. Kill Natonko Limba. Kill Nama 91. Kill that woman in Pikin, then go lock na Makeni, tell the Pikin die. Broke one that in foot na hasting for land. He bleed till he die. Evangelist Samson will lost his life because they talk for APC. They don't ever talk for that. They know they measure, but that's safe. Because them postpone census. They say then they pull them people outside. We say happy for that word. They wanna say una people. They wanna not say the people of Salon. Because Salon people are not stupid. They're not idle. For me, the chief election na una hand. Una they beg the chief man say yes, but thank you for the chief we. Say una travel go Gambia, una go celebrate the chief for the chief election na una hand. Una not pull people in for demonstrate. Census where them postpone. Now una they say una they pull people in the street. We want see they una go pull people in. Una go pull people in. Okay, if una no pull una people in back in the street for go protest for the census. When mother be all postpone, una mama then toto them back. Una mama then conk them back. Una mama then pima them back. If una Abdul Kabo go to Lansana Dumbuya, una all Cherry Coco by Mahmoud, una all una mama then back bombo, mak back man karanga nunang. E bombo una mama then stain bombo them una. Una mama then Benny bombo them. Una mama then kido waka all day. Because when man they say Benny bombo, so man no they understand. When the mama they don't waka all day na so the dirty where they come on na the grind they can't settle down na the bombo he lip down. You can see white in a fiber ball. Na di Benny that one day. Them mama them Benny bumbu. Them basta picking there. Bumbu ya karanga. Yama unke penchi. Na ni mama pa penchi a better. Mama quick bon lembre dato. Man penching itaka totngi. Ye bumbu ya karanga me penche. Them basta picking the all pa yansane the all. Abdul Kago the all by Mahmoud Sidia Tunisuna all. Lansana dumbu ya una all una mama den toto them. And eskuruma mama in konk. Adeba mama in tell the bokne. You say they fight against the happiness of Sierra Leone. We not go stop for cost una mama dem bombo dem. So say with the strong ta una mama dem toto de una mama dem conk de una mama dem pima dem. Na mama dem tell the bokne de una take happiness from people, the people of Salon their hand. People then win election. Una say una no wonder winning day because Samura Kamara go see Madabio. Today una they can't tell me black and white na ya. That audio, me people, I get for play that video tomorrow. If God make a finish me shift early, I go na host. I will make audio, yes, I go na me host tomorrow. When I dey na me host, after if I don't make I finish tomorrow early, I go play. I've been telling una say that oil refinery, Samura Kamara he hand no did it. This bastard picking because they try for bring Samura down. He say na Samura Kamara na sell the oil refinery. Tomorrow, where I get for play that audio from the beginning to the ending. If una get for a can the Jum Kela call Samura name day, una no ever believe what I tell you again. Samura no get no hands for that oil refinery. Samura Kamara in hand clean, moreover na in this bastard picking. Now him they tell we say, he say Samura Kamara na the most cleanest politician in that country. He say Samura Kamara honest, Samura Kamara everything. Now they try for can blackmail the me also no able. Waiting mortal man then they lie but then come be mortal man. Just because they want to satisfy another mortal man, then they create lie against another person. This me I don't know how na they manage this with una conscience. I don't know this how na they manage with una conscience. Because me when they na your conscience, anything will happen, like I don't know how that thing they happen. As far as I know settle, me mind know the rest. So that parental in business, me when they na me when a patriotic citizen, when they na me no say, if he parang want for be, he want for go vacation, and later can join and go stand later for the SLPP Secretary General. Me no say if really Parang want for do that, he go do that. Since when they want Almaya so kind of power, not no day where then don't say then they do where they not do them. Then don't come, then tell we say then they pass anti-cyber crime law. We ring on our people and ace. We ring on our people and ace. We ring on our people and ace. This bastard begin come and tell we say, he said they not go pass him. They not go pass that law day. They not go pass that law day. How you end up? They not pass him. Then pass him. Then they say that they pull Lara Telopias. We say if SLPP want for pull Lara Telopias, we say then they pull up. They're not go pull out man day. They're not go do this. They're not go do that. How you end up? APC then go, then vote in favor for remove that woman day. Woman where they all people where they show the money where them bastard pick so the thief. Woman where SLPP they be they dance for. Where they be there as opposition. They be they dance for that woman day. They do everything for celebrate that woman day. Where that woman they can now, it can begin to catch them as thief man them. Then go, then shack the woman, then go APC, then go, then vote in favor for make them remove that woman day. People wanna give me 1 second, like give me I pass the security control. Sorry, I be they try for pass the security. Yeah. Then come. Then come. Then tell we say. Now. This guy they. Then come. Then pull out at Telopias. Somebody where they be say they no go pull. So me as far as I concern, anything where SLPP be don't want for do, then don't do them. And anything where they get for want for do, then go continue for do them. Nobody no go stop them because they all they work collectively. APC and SLPP, they all they work collectively. So if this bastard picking the guy, they can't dirty people and ace there. APC don't start. Not the way APC go, where SLPP go one pass and away they pass there. I swear to God back. But one them boku pass there. Because when they go into argument, SLPP go just say we're not going to vote. So now make they enjoy the dog way they make boku talk. SLPP don't say this. Then go into vote. Or then change the SLPP all man know say they're good for change constitution. Then go change that constitution before they say when they say this one not they say okay let's go into vote. Then boku pass una then go into vote. When I go deny back say they not for going to vote. Then go into vote. After we then go into vote, that time the vote go talk. Uda oti then go do or oti they not go do. So then no sense that the way they open my mind to they open and screw my mind come pass and my mind to Abdul Kagbo, the mama then tell Bokre, they open the mama then Toto, they talk, say, how this time around, this not get for happen. What happened 2018, 2023, it not get for happen. Why it not go happen? When are the same people in the day? What thing go stop that from happening when are the same people in the day? Not to Cheriko Kobe in a parliament as leader. Now he don't come out. Not to Imbobo he left there. Not to Imbobo he left there. Not to Imbobo he left there when Abdul Kagbo. Not to Indere so they box up. He even box up past Cheriko. He even confused past Cheriko. In fact, in a confused.com, no idea. Then go take post maybe the fishing crab, kara. Namo lalam konako basha akoson the parliament. Monge nane mo papa uni something a chen malako dosen mo penchi that por kada ya kong Abdul Kagbo ka tel ka Cheriko ko ya kong apa sanenga na mama de to them they open them mama de conquer they laugh then they laugh past salon people in sufferness. Yes, una they laugh salon people and they cry, una they laugh for salon people the happiness na una they laugh at where salon people then they suffer, salon people then they die. Now dan na una they laugh at. Now they laugh. Na so Fatima Biogo column. Nemo ngey kasin ko na ni mo yako momo say ne e to tamban baranga beta ande rande frfru obupi. Yo ngey Fatima Biom. Abdul Kagbo ka tel ka ya kamunon. Cheriko ko pa sane una olu na mama den kankbo bode una. Na mama den to dem una aneskuruma mama entel bokne. Enchi Adebayo don't accept, you don't agree say let them go the cost you mama no more as far as but let Adebayo go the cost Samura Kamara mama. This na the new style and Eskoroma tell Adebayo say let them go the cost mama no more, he no care. Hence Adebayo go the cost Samura Kamara mama. He say he no get problem with that. No problem. You mama and Eskoroma would they put ambondo. Would they put ambondo? You would they put you mama pabondo? That you mama in clitoris will be left. That fun will get for use needle, will choke out, raise her up, will cut them for you fine. Will give which you girl picking the all there, all not the left. Then you choose bastard picking girl picking it. Then rare girl where they fiber soul bag. That's so they heavy. Then body the fiber man. I make that other one. They go fair man for her. Say Ibrahim Bangura. What be they tell people and say and Eskoroma na Ibrahim Bangura na they support people and know they believe. Yes. Una no be they believe for say. And Eskoroma na Ibrahim Bangura they support because na he wangi ingal pikin danke for married. Una no they believe now Ibrahim Bangura don't come now na the showroom. Somebody where they say he study peace and conflict. Na conflict they na in country so they will solve them. They make a whole general election. They knock out results. Then they stand back for another election. I don't know what they think say na they get for go vote for them. Now na mama them bombo then na they get for go vote for now. And then see mama in Toto na get for wake up na grave, you can't vote for her. Because if not to that, as far as me concerned, so if this one fail, nobody not get for vote for APC. Madabio go rule salon so he die. Madabio he go rule salon so he die. The people la tell you now about this bastard picking with the parental in business. He say parental one be secretary general to him party. He won't go, then he won't come back. If in case he fail yonder, he go come back for can continue for dinner parliament. Abdul Kagbo they don't pin the 2 foot then are ground. Say that's not get for happen. Me at the challenge you say if SLPP want for let that happen, that they happen. Nobody know they stop that. Me at the challenge you for say if they now one thing for us, SLPP know they take SLPP like nothing. If SLPP they hesitate today for do anything, I swear to God. After in fact, I no call God, they are no God. After Samura, an international community, matter be afraid, not to APC. If not for Samura and international community, then say APC for be history na salon. APC for be history. If not the international community and Samura Kamara, APC for be history na salon. Matter be not get a young for member safe. You not get a young for member. So that side, me they bite you back say, if SLPP wants for let parent go holiday, he go stand for the SLPP Secretary General. If he fail, he come back as clerk na parliament. Me they challenge you say, if they want for let that happen, it they happen. Yes. And they challenge you back say, if they want divide Freetown, then they divide them. APC no get that power they for stop Madabio. They not stop them for the past 7 years. Now they one can't stop them. They no get that power they. for stop Marabio from dividing Freetown. If Marabio want divide Freetown, he go divide Freetown. Yes. He go divide Freetown. If at all he wants. I sort of got in this day. If he want if they want for divide Freetown, then they divide Freetown. Then go divide Freetown. If they want that, then they divide Freetown. Now you say back, say they don't prosper. Now you know more that census they own. In any press release where they make, Marabio no get it. Marabio don't tell us say money no dey. Because Marabio won't get money from the international community. International community don't talk say they know they give Marabio money. So Marabio don't postpone the census say money no dey. If APC wants let Marabio make census, may them provide the money, the census money. Marabio not deny. Tell them may them count the money for go make the census. It not done. Not to them postpone 2022. Then postpone local council election. When are they all? This all are part of the rigging. Then postpone local council election. Then keep that. Now Ibrahim the Maker will know that one day. Cherry Coco no ever can open my mind conk talk that one day. Cherry Coco zip in my mind toto. He no ever mistake talk up. He no ever talk up. Now Ibrahim then the Maker will know say they don't postpone the local council election. We no ever know that one day. Now census then they postpone una they say then they call una people them. Una go do una people them. Una go pull una people them. Una go pull una people them. Una don't even get shame. You way they talk for them all. They way they talk for they no get shame. Ebo then thief election na una hand. Una no protest. Una say let the man thief in fact una they dance for them. Come on. Census where them postpone. Now una they say una they call una people out. Marabio they look they laugh. Una get people una call until una want test una popularity. APC una call. This APC where they so this one una call. Una call for protest. Una want test una popularity. Awale last another we away head big like mama in conk under her. That head we fiba rhino. Awale church that head they go na all the family member they go call them call all una in fact una go na radio station una go announce about protest. Let una go test una popularity. So many people in a salon una no mind them. That census where then they talk say if Marabio not postpone then go protest. Marabio don't forget about that thing they say. Because Marabio don't tell and say money no dey for census. So if they want let the census right, may then go count money. Let Marabio can conduct the census. It done. Simple, Marabio. Make APC go count money let he can conduct the census. You don't tell and say money no dey. If they want let the census right, make them go bring money let he can do the census. Then say then they take power 2028. Una mama them bombo them first. All who say they above this 2028 people I don't talk, I will still can't talk. The two sided where they above for this 2028 victory where then they go and celebrate where the time not reach itself. One, them believe say the 10 years agreement where they agree with Marabio, where then don't left Marabio for let it rule salon for 10 years. Then think say where they make election, Marabio SLPP lost, SLPP win, them inside and them believe say Marabio go take that power, he give them. Like how then take the power, then give Marabio, then think say if Marabio back come, when they make election, APC, Marabio go just look the power, he give them. That now one reason we make them the tower for this 228. Not so because they get for all Marabio account, they no able to do nothing. Marabio, now you get the soldier, now you get the police parents, and maybe don't talk and say if then demonstrate. He said then they kill them. Thank God, now if you don't tell we. Say if we demonstrate, then they kill we. You say the reason why make you know they talk. You say if they una talk, then they hold una. So today, if una talk, then they hold una. Now they know they hold una. Now they know they hold una. Today, if una demonstrate, then they kill una. Today una say if una pull una people, then they kill una. Now they know they kill una. Una go pull una people. All salon people they know say when they demonstrate, then they kill them. Everybody in a salon will say, when you demonstrate, then they kill you. Then they will know, parents, and then I tell we. Parents, and they say the reason why make them know they demonstrate, he say if they demonstrate, he said then they kill them. He said the reason why make you know they talk, he say if he talk, he said then they arrest them. So all the years there, they don't take super glue, they don't glue them, mama then glue the old bombo them, they know they talk. They don't take them, mama then conquer them, they know they talk. They don't take them, mama then farane bombo them, they know they protest. Now they want to go protest because they postpone census. Una go protest. Una go call for protest. Let we see there. Let we see if Salon people they stupid. Where they know say Salon people they not stupid. Nobody know they take the peace over Salon people them. It not get for happen. Una the thief election on our hand. Una not protest. Somebody can postpone census. Una say una they protest. For the thief una election no. When are the victory of Salon people, the voters Salon people than you now. For the postpone the census, so waiting more important. Waiting more important. The thief una election. With the election where them postpone. Una not ever come and talk a single word. Rather, una they beg Madabio for let it continue for suffer Salon. People them. Now una the tower say 2028. Now the thing that they don't tell me people who say them bastard PK Abo pan 2028. Them believe say 2028 where they make election, Madabio win no, Madabio lost so if they look the power I give them. The second thing, them believe say na 2028 ECOWAS and get for Kana Salon for can protect the election. We go make Madabio no go thief that election day. Now make them the tower so 2028 they take power. 2028 they take power. Me, I not ever see Usai lie overcome truth. True, na ingo prevail. And in the case of Sierra Leone, the truth na ingo prevail by the grace of the Almighty God. Because why? They make an election no get results. Therefore, we no go agree for Lemada Bio done in 5 years na that place day. We know they accept, we know they agree. So the people in our salon, any bastard pikeka opi mama in toto pa ansane dem in kailu mansare den cheriko kore by mamude and eskormade mama den tell bokne they tell una anything. If una get chance, if una able download, una able waste una megabytes them, una waste time. If una no able waste una megabytes them, una do what una get for do. Are they by on na thief man? Are they by on na criminal? Are they by on na layman? And eskoroma na bastard pikin, minkailu na mami toto, Syria Tunis na mami kong, by Mahmoud na mami tel bokne, Cheriko ko na mama in bastard pikin they all. They all, Jagaban, they all. They all we don't stand say, then they move on for 2020. They all na basta picking them. Jagaban, they all. No see Biabia way fiba in basta picking, where they fuck na ways. Now you want go rule salon, homosexual like where they collect spam. So spam na envelope na that dirty belly. Say, now they collect tone. You go they suck in compliment in tone. Then go they spam inside in cacao. Say one go rule salon. My mind bump back you. Now them pasta picking they are. When they see the truth, we correspond to the people of Salon. When they see the truth, we correspond to the people who they claim to una one go rule. When they downfall that true day. When they go against that true day. When they go against the people of happiness. When they call about 2028. God go kill you now all before 2028. Una. God, he get for show una example. Una say the people of Salon not for happy. Una no get for ever be happy. Minkailu he knows side right now. Una they go and hide. Minkailu knows side dey. But I don't want you say don't accept say the man sick. Me no say this sickness not they left Minkailu. God just they make a life suffer. They go root the life now in cacao, love celebrate. Because una in die one no more wine, the love begin jubilate. Until be say over in dead body, Samura go be president. As he die, now the tell una go no say so mortal man in voice, he get power. Basta piki like that day, my mind conky, my mind toto, my mind pima, my mind tell bokne pa yansane. You my mind pisol pa yansane. Are you basta piki mama day? We don't die to move the door to you modelo in basta piki. You have in my mind toto you pa yansane. You have in conk. And them basta piki they are. Dog chin them. And they take happiness from Salon people they hate their hand. Now say when they move on 2028. The people of Salon they don't vote for una. So me people in a Salon then treating they are. Una not take the not that basta because they don't can talk. For talk say APC not get for grief for the postponement of the census. Me the challenge and say if Madabio want do am, then they do am. If Madabio want do am, then they, in fact they don't do and done. Right? They don't do and done. The census they don't postpone na Madabio say until further notice he not get money. So who that want do census, make it go, in go bring money. They give kudos to that kolonko way mama bombo rep like a watermelon. Akisea, kudos to you. Akisea will look Freetonia then vote. Igiwe to Marabio. Freetonia people then vote. That bastard picking a look at Gian to Marabio. Now the woman done the way they give kudos. Kudos to people the way they destroy democracy. You they give kudos to people the way stand for let the people of Salon continue to be unhappy. Because anybody will want let the people of Salon they're happy. You go talk, you go do all you can for let Marabio fuck off that place day. Because me, if I get chance the next second I don't want to see Marabio day. Any second way Marabio continue for them in that country day, na disaster for Salon. Now they say like continue till 2028. Till 2028. 3 years more from now. When I say let Marabio continue. Yes, after the 3 years, it continue back. Because we won't know, no say Marabio. He just want let this tripartite business done. He not get for give power, he not get for hand over the party to nobody. Marabio, if he succeed by this, I see don't they so. Now Mugabe now don't get so. Because the military then today, then say they know they overthrow. Even when Marabio don't do anything possible for destabilize that country, the military then say they know they do nothing. They say they know they overthrow. Yes, they say they know they overthrow. The military they say they don't know anything when are protecting the constitution of Salon. They say they no care. Yes. Na person una they say if they go to 28, the constitution don't pull out. Una they talk like say Marabio sabi constitution. Una they talk like say Marabio respect constitution. The only constitution where Marabio sabi now waiting they favor am. All the constitution of Salon, the one way Marabio don't use, now the one way don't favor am. The one way not favor am, they boycott am, or use power, or use the police, or use the soldier, or use violence, or he kill you, or he arrest you, or he do any kind of bad thing. They don't care. And the man that they say the constitution don't pull am. The constitution don't pull am. The constitution don't pull am. Like na post we sabi what they call constitution. Marabio in constitution na what they favor am. What they favor am na in constitution. What you know they favor am, if they do all kind way for manipulate am, lay them in favor. Now so Marabio in they operate. Now that kind of person they una they look una they say he go hand over power. The constitution don't pull am. Una mama then conquer them na in constitution pull. Una no sabi nothing. Una no even know what Marabio plan. Una no sabi what Marabio plan. So me people in a Salon, that nasty idea, una no buy am because na rubbish. For talk say, the APC executive, the APC parliamentarian, then they do well. That free tongue way they talk. If they want splitter, they split am. Free tongue. In fact, they don't talk am. We say me like SLPP, hence the thing that you they na the own interest. Where you see they don't talk am, they don't talk am. For say they don't get 2 more districts na Moyamba, then they split Freetown. Where you see they don't talk am. Perhaps if they decide not for do am, but if they want for do am, may they guarantee you na say, then they split Freetown, nothing no they come up behind it. Right? If they want, then they split Freetown. Nothing. The census, they don't postpone them. Right? At the tell then 3 years, if SLPP wants, then they do them. They don't postpone the census. If they want, then they divide Freetown. Right? If Parliamentary only wants, if they go holiday, he left that vacancy, he left in position at Parliament. If he go fail for the SLPP Secretary General, he come back, he can't continue his job. And they guarantee you, say, if they want, then 3 things they are all what don't mention. Whether bastard picking me, they say, SAPC don't stand with their foot, then 2 foot say that not. If SLPP wants, then they do all. But they get what they want, if they want. If they want split Freetown, then go split Freetown. APC will do nothing with that. No power they not get for that. Nothing. They're not ready for that, and they not get for do that. They not get for do that. Nothing they not able to do for that. Because they not there for that, we all don't see all kind of bad laws then today. Where they harm the people of Salon. Now under APC Cherry Coco as leader of Parliament, now they then pass all their laws they did. Now they then pass all their laws then they. So all waiting this bastard picking they can't talk. Waiting and Escoroma they feed them with the mama then to them, right? Let Salon Post take a nothing say na big thing. Tomorrow by God in power, if I not die, I go play for una that video. Who say can the Yum Kela explain about the oil refinery, the one that we sell am. Okay, I want can talk small about waiting they go on back with other people between people always stand for electoral justice and all that. Me brothers and sisters, them we always they think for the right way and all that. This na an advice. Let we stop for go at people's power because in the talk say he not trust the international community. Let we stop for go at them. People in the talk different things. Say people's power not get right for go at the international community. People's power not for say this. People's power not for say that. What I let people they understand. When they say international community, na Britain and America. Because even the ECOWAS and African Union, they all na them two countries. And now European Union, now then they sponsor them all. Now then they tell them what then they do. Yes. The ECOWAS and the African Union, now Europe and America, now then they spend for them. Now then they sponsor them. Now then they tell them what then they do. These two countries, the way they say Britain and America, when they get interest of something, they know they hesitate. They know they afraid bad name. They know one no. Then they go, then do them. We all see Saddam Hussein where they say he been get weapon of mass destruction. When they don't ready for go, the whole world talks so the entire. Then go fight na Iraq. Then capture Saddam. They hand over unto Saddam, then judiciary, then judge Saddam, then hang him, then kill him. Now that they do so, the international community. Libya, people in protest. Gaddafi fights them. International community, even when people in talk fire, then go NATO, America, England, when they go to Libya, then go tell Gaddafi, say, inside in your country, say, is a non-flying zone. Say, then they go protect the civilians in Libya. Then tell Gaddafi, say, it is a non-flying zone. Any of Gaddafi in flight, we grab for go do any attack against them. Then they bring that flight down. Now that they be mean say, no flying zone. But then they fly, but then Gaddafi not for fly. What did they do? Then kill Gaddafi. And so he left buff. Till they look how Libya don't box up. Tunisia. Now somebody, now he go put himself, he go light himself on fire. He said because the price of the bread don't go up. When they're ready, then change the president. Not they way international community go want for do where they know they able for do. Because I want where they're ready, they know if they get right or they get wrong. Because they know say, as far as they're concerned, this one na above case. Na above case. George Bush, when he go fight na Iraq, when they tell us say they count na the ICC, he say America not been signed the protocol for they bring any American president at the ICC. And so he left both case as far as me concerned. Now 3 countries they been go fight na Iraq. Britain and America. Tony Blair na be the prime minister na the UK. George Bush Jr. na he na be the president of America. The one we make 3 na Spain. When na Jose Maria Aznar na he na be the prime minister of Spain. He not be sending military them for go fight to. He send them for make them go do hospitality business. People where they sick, any accident, prepare food, all that stuff then they. Now that's a big go for. But these are the 3 key leader them. Where them be support, where them go fight na Iraq. The whole world be there against them, but then go them fight. Even when they go meet another neighboring country, then say, make them go they use them land, let American fighter jets then go they land there. When the Arab countries then deny America, what they do, then go pack now middle of the sea, then go pack big ship. Now from that, they ship then they take off, then go bombard na Iraq. So not day where international community where they go get interest for do where they not go do. This why they talk so no mean say as support and say they don't fail well. They not fail well. Because as far as me concerned, as far as what me know, I know say Samura go get what belongs to them. But if people's power in say they don't fail them, he not trust them, let we give the man his own right to freedom of speech. You understand? He say he not believe them. And the same international community. Now the thing we clear here is no Salon man no go talk say Salon justice don't delay. Nobody no go the way go talk that. For say this process not don't delay. Now 2 years will they go so. 2 years. The same international community. Now before the matter be OTF election. The same international community. Now before the matter be do all the killings. Then get representatives in another country. They know everything where matter be don't do. So why this thing for delay like I they delay so? Why the thing for delay? And now the same one tell we say justice delay, now justice deny. We people and say, never sharp tete, you for sharp and back. Me, I believe them and I know say that they can do the right thing. But we need for push, make them do more. Make them do more. So I know